We'll guide you through how to make digital budget planner using Claude AI. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To make a digital budget planner using Claude AI, launch the Google Chrome browser on your PC to initiate the software acquisition process. Move your focus to the search bar located at the top of your screen to begin the next step. Conduct a search for Claude Download to locate the legitimate setup files needed for the installation today. Identify the official Anthropic link from the search results to guarantee a safe and fully authentic installation on your device. Activate the Download for Windows sequence to transfer the application files directly to your local drive. Once the download is complete, double-click the downloaded installer from your browser's history pane to begin the full setup process. Permit the configuration process to conclude fully on your local workstation before proceeding any further. When the main application dashboard opens, tap the Get Started prompt to advance into the next phase of setup. Pick the Google authentication route to establish a secure and verified workspace connection for your account. Designate the specific email profile you wish to link with your AI tools and confirm your selection carefully. Grant the final authorization needed to wrap up the login and complete the security check process successfully. Click Open Claude when the browser redirection alert surfaces on your screen to return directly to the application. Close any feature walkthroughs or introductory windows that appear in order to view your active dashboard clearly. Advance through the quick messaging setup steps to fully prepare your working environment for productive use. Scale the application window to its maximum size for an unobstructed and comfortable development view while working. Focus on the message input field at the bottom of the screen to submit your specific organizational requirements. Formulate a detailed prompt such as, "Could you design a comprehensive digital budget planner including categories for income, fixed costs, and variable savings?" Submit the instruction to let the AI architect the full logic and table structure of your budget planner. Inspect the drafted format carefully in the preview window to ensure it captures all the necessary data points and categories. Once you are fully satisfied with the layout and content, complete the process by clicking the download icon to archive your finished planner.